Master the art of passive voice in formal writing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an important area of formal writing, using passive voice. The passive voice plays a vital role in formal writing, and today, we'll explore when to use passive voice in formal writing. So, let's get started. First, we need to understand what passive voice is. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action. It's a way to structure your sentences so that the doer of the action, or the agent, is less important than the action itself, or it's not mentioned at all. For example, instead of saying, "John cooked dinner," active voice, we could say, "Dinner was cooked by John," passive voice. However, often in passive voice we omit the agent. Dinner was cooked. Now let's look at when to use passive voice in formal writing. Here are some reasons. 1. To highlight the action rather than the doer. In formal writing, sometimes it's more important to focus on the action or the result. The passive voice helps to do that. For example, a decision was made, instead of, "We made a decision." 2. When the doer is unknown or irrelevant. There are times when we don't know who performed the action, or it doesn't matter. In those cases, we use the passive voice. For example, "The window was broken," when we don't know or care who broke it. 3. To maintain formality and impersonality. Formal writing often seeks to keep a level of detachment, and the passive voice helps achieve this. For instance, it is suggested that the procedure be followed strictly, instead of, "I suggest you follow the procedure strictly." Even though passive voice has its place in formal writing, it's important to maintain a balance between passive and active voice. Overuse of the passive voice can make your writing seem distant or convoluted. Remember to use it when it serves the purpose of emphasizing the action, maintaining formality, or when the doer is unknown or unimportant. And there we have it. That's a quick guide on when to use passive voice in formal writing. Remember, it's all about highlighting what's most important in your sentence, the action or the agent. So, keep practicing, and you'll master the use of passive voice in no time. Thanks for watching, and keep up the good work with your English language learning journey. We hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next one.